Look at this Instagram model, this, and this. They are not real. All are AI generated. You can create this kind of Instagram influencer account. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step process of making a hyper-realistic Instagram influencer profile. So watch the video till the end. Let's dive in. At first, we need to create a model image that obviously doesn't exist in the world. To do this, I will use Leonardo AI. After coming to Leonardo, select Photoreal as the feature model. If you can't access the model, just go to your profile and delete the existing profile. After deleting the profile, create a new one with the same email or Google account. I will suggest creating the account with a Google account. Choose a new username, select an interest, and then confirm you are over 18. After all of this, hit the next button. In the next step, select your role and then hit the Use Leonardo. Now you can access the Photoreal model. After selecting the Photoreal model, click on View More from here. Now find one realistic image that could be a sample model for your Instagram account. Always select a photo that is looking directly at the viewer. Like this one or this one. I will select this one. But we won't use the exact photo. We will create a new character. To do this, click on the Remix button. Now delete the old prompt and enter a new prompt. I will put my prompt in the description box with the other tools link. You can use the prompt or can enter your own prompt. After entering the prompt, hit the Generate button. You can see the result. This girl looks so realistic, and obviously, she doesn't exist in the real world. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate the model. Once you are satisfied, download the image. Now we need more images for an Instagram account. Because we cannot run an influencer account with just 1 or 2 images. And if you are not so good in prompts and aren't familiar with the advanced setting of any AI image generator, then you cannot generate constant characters. It's really a big issue. But don't worry. Today I am going to share a ninja technique. First, find an Instagram account which has sufficient photos and reels. Now download the images with any Instagram downloader. You will find a vast number of Instagram downloaders on the internet. After downloading some images, download some reels too. A question can be raised. What will we do with this image? We will create a constant model with these images. To do this, go to the description box and click on the face swap invitation link. If you don't have a Discord account, you have to create it first. After clicking on the link, you will be redirected to this page. Now click on Accept Invite. With this tool, we will swap faces between our downloaded images and Leonardo generated images. To do this, come to the message box and type /SaveID. Now click on the Image Upload button. Here we will upload one of our source images, which means our AI generated image. After uploading the image, give an ID name. Most importantly, keep the name on your mind. For example, I am giving Sample. Then hit the Enter button. Okay, our ID name has been created. Now come to the message box again and type /SwapID. Now upload a target image, which means images we downloaded from Instagram. After uploading, we have to enter our source image ID. I named my save ID as Sample, so I am typing Sample. After that, hit the Enter button. And boom, we have got the same image with our source image face. In this way, we can create unlimited constant characters for our Instagram account. Let's try some more images. Alright, our image is ready. Now we can post unlimited images on our Instagram account. But what about Reels? Without Reels, the possibility of getting more followers is not possible. Even you can't earn a passive income without marketing. But if you upload Reels, you can monetize your channel and the possibility of getting more followers will be increased. And for that reason, we downloaded some Reels from Instagram. Now we will swap the face of the videos also. And to do this, I will use Google Colab Notebook, which is completely free. I will put the link in the description. After coming to Google Colab, click on the Connect button from here to connect your notebook to a server. After establishing the connection, come to Clone Root Repo and install dependencies and hit the Run button from here. It will take some time to complete the process. In this time, we will upload our target video and source image. Click on the folder icon from here. Now click on the upload icon from here. After that, select a target video from your device. In this same way, upload the source image on the notebook directory. I made a mistake here. I only renamed the source image. We have to rename the target video also, because this AI tool doesn't support any space in the name. So I am renaming the target video. Delete all special characters and spaces from the name. Alright, we have uploaded the target and source files. But the installation process is still running. It will take around 2 minutes. Let's skip this part. Okay, after completing the install dependencies, come to the second step and hit the run button. It will be completed immediately. Now the final step. We have to make some changes in this step. Go to the notebook directory and click on the three-dot menu of your target video file, then select copy path. After that, come back to the code panel and select the target file location. Now paste your target file location by pressing Ctrl+V from your keyboard. After that, go to the directory again, copy the source image path, and then paste it onto the source image path. After all is set, hit the cell run button. If you are facing any errors, then delete this part. Then hit the run button again. Now it's working. The process will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. Once the process is completed, come to the directory. A new file will be added named swapped. Click on the three-dot menu and select download to save the file on your device. And our first real video is ready. Let's watch how it's looking.
It's on my mind, I guess it goes like na 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 na.
Wow, now we have an AI-generated Instagram model who can do anything. Alright, if you want to create more than one video at the same time, just come back to the Google Colab and upload your target videos. Now copy the target video path and paste it into the code. Then hit the run button. And your videos are ready. Okay, we have generated images and reels. Let's upload them on Instagram. In the caption section, you can generate a caption with another AI tool, Hix AI. I made a full video on Hix AI. You can check it from the I button. In this way, you can create a hyper-realistic Instagram influencer and monetize your Instagram account. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating Instagram influencers with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!